Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to Volume 6, Week 1 of the Cougar Connection. The Cougar Connection is a weekly newsletter that I record each week for Sunday evening, and it's pretty much a parent communication tool and a student communication tool that lets everyone know what is going on this week and then a few things that are upcoming in the next few weeks. So for this week, our connection is relatively short. As you can see from our calendar, really we don't have a lot going on except for Monday is the first day of school. Also on our calendar for this week, on Friday, we are having a back to school dance. This is for SMS students only, 6th, 7th, and 8th graders. The admission for our dance is $5, and we will have concessions for sale at our dance as well. And parents, if you haven't already done so, please make sure that you sign up for our Simons Middle School Remind. To do so, you can text at Simons FC to the number 81010. Also, each week in our Cougar Connection, we try to spotlight a student who has either accomplished something outside of school or had a really awesome accomplishment at school either this week or the previous week. So this week, our very first Cougar Connection for the 2023-2024 school year is Allison McLean. Allison is an 8th grade student here at Simons Middle School, and she has recently been participating in pageants. This summer, she was crowned Miss Teen Estill County Fair on August the 5th out of a tough group of 9 young ladies from around the state, including other Fleming County students and former SMS students. Allison will attend the Miss Kentucky County Fair pageant in Louisville on October the 13th and 14th at the Crown Plaza. She has only competed at one other fair this summer before she was crowned Miss Teen Estill County Fair. So congratulations, Allison. So Allison also does participate in cheerleading here at Simons Middle School, and she's actually a very good cheerleader. I've watched her several times on and off the sideline. She also is involved with JAG, and she likes to swim. So congratulations, Allison. We're so proud of your many accomplishments over the summer, and we can't wait to see all the awesome things that you do this year at SMS. So just a couple other general announcements. We are having a fundraiser here at SMS. I believe this is for the Silver Snakes team. So to place your order for anything RADA, you can scan that QR code, and I think there will be some information also available on our school webpage. And if you haven't checked it out yet, please check out our Simons Middle School virtual open house. That is also on our SMS webpage as well as on our Facebook account. And that is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have a great first week of school, Cougars.